So before I start this video, I thank you all so much for all watching this video. So now today you can see I have a smartwatch in front of me. So the touch panel is totally broken, so I just threw it out. So now without wasting any more further time, let's get started. So now first to get, as you can see, the display is actually just falling out. So to open it, we got to get to the back first. Take the cover off and you can see the condition of the battery. I'm like, it's literally torn out here, the battery cover. So you can see it's a 380 mAh battery, and here are the precautions and other things. So now we get to the main part. Here we have two screws. I know there are 4 slots, but there are only two screws. Somebody might have removed the other screws. So now first we got to take out those 2 screws. Okay, come on, loosen them up enough, and then just free the mic up. Then we can just pick the back cover off. And now, okay, so I guess the speakers are attached to this back cover, so no problem, we can still do it. So now you can see one ribbon cable out here, so we got to remove that out first. So there are 2 ribbon cable slots. The other one that you can see out, okay, wait, just let me help a little bit. So you can see there are 2 slots. One is over here and the other one. This one was for the, this one that you see over here was for the touch panel, and this one is for the screen. So now how do we just pick this? Okay, so I'll just remove the straps out here. I can see a screw out here and a screw, okay, that's, and a screw out there. So first we'll remove the screw over here and screw over here, and let's take the straps out, and then we can continue with our tear down again. Okay, so one of the wire has just snapped out. You can resolder it, the slot is right here. So now again we got to remove the screws. Okay, just a little more loose. Don't know what went wrong. So I'll just pick the screw up with my tweezer. I don't know why the screw are just not coming up out still. Okay, come on. That one's loose, but then the screw is not coming out. Shit. Okay, got one strap out. Now the other one. I still don't know why. It's just not coming out. Okay, I don't know what. So now just let's take the display out. So you can see it's pretty thin, and it's like more of perfectionist. Okay. Okay, I'm giving up on the screw. Okay, that's taking a bit too much time. Just last go, and I guess we can take it out. I guess. Yes, got the screw out. So these are the two screws for the straps. Let's keep them aside. Now we have to take the circuit out. Okay, so that's the button out here. So even the camera is out here, we have to just remove it. And one more thing, we don't know how much megapixel this camera is. Yeah, here we go. Almost got the circuit out. Yes, we got the circuit out now. So is the outer frame. Here's where the camera goes in. And here the speaker. Here the mic. So now let's just quickly glance over the circuit. So now let's zoom in a little more bit. So, I'm sorry. So now here we have the SIM card slot. Here we have the SIM card slot, memory card slot. We have a mic out here and another mic out here. Okay, that's interesting. So here the micro USB female charging port. Here are battery pins. Here we have a RAM. Here we have a processor. Here we have the 2 pins. If we go on the other side, we can just see one. If we go on the other side, we can just see one camera and the button. The button, that's the on and off button. So now the processor is oh shit, I don't know if you can see clearly. I mean, the processor is a MediaTek processor. Come on man, focus. Okay, I hope you can see MediaTek out. Oh, how do I show it now? Just little more zoomed. Yes, you can see it, I guess. So that's the MediaTek processor that you can see out there, and these are all the other micro components. But then man, seriously, it uses a MediaTek processor, and MediaTek does put out really good processor. Like, you know, the Redmi Note 8 Pro runs on MediaTek processor, right? MediaTek GT90T or something. So the Redmi Note 8 Pro does run on MediaTek, and even this watch runs on MediaTek, but obviously the processors are different. Man, a phone and a smartwatch will have different processors, but the company is same. It's MediaTek. Seriously, MediaTek. So I'll just end up the video by saying thank you all so much for all watching this video, and I'll see you people around in the next video.